Hello guys, not to Ace here. So yeah, if you're seeing it right here this is my King K Rool Amiibo, and I did a store pickup, pre-order store pickup at Best Buy. One of the downside is when you kind of do this, you don't know the quality to some extent of the Amiibo, the mold, the sculpture, whatever. What does that mean? Sometimes you'll get a particular figure, or let's just say an Amiibo, and you'll see like one section of the part of the Amiibo is like it's not imperfect. There's like some mark there that shouldn't be there, and you go like, oh man, I don't like this. I want to trade it for something that looks much better. Understandable, but it is sort of, for me, it does sound like compulsive. But hey, you're paying a lot of money for this, so you kind of want to make worth of your buck. I know I had to deal with the Golden Mario at Best Buy. They had a restock there. They gave me, there was a lot of chip damage inside the package. I didn't even open the box yet, so I had to replace it. Luckily, I did. But the problem with a lot of this retail is that they're not in tune. They're not going to look at it to some extent. They're just saying, oh, here's the King K Rool Amiibo, like here, and they're just going to slap on the pickup sticker. Here we go. So why am I even showing this? Because to some extent, if you really look carefully, let's see if you can see here, is there's sort of like a weird paint design on the eye. Okay, I don't know if that's what's meant to be, because yeah, there's a reflex in the side there. I don't know if that's supposed to be there, or someone just made a botched up and whoopsie, and there it is. So I said before that I was trying to get this. Well, I went back to see if you can still get it after 5 p.m. Of course, spoiler, nope. So I had to wait for a while. Like I said, I thought it was going to be a restock after the week of February 15th. Not so much. Apparently, the restock is kind of slow, but they are coming. March, apparently, they're going to get the new restock for this Wave 2 for Ultimate Smash. So what I did is, thanks to R64, there was a pre-order, or you can order it on Amazon, the King K Rool. So I decided to do it. So this one's from Best Buy that I got. So like I said, there's that scratch eye there. So we're gonna put that away for a sec, and here it is, my Amazon box. Let's see if it's better or for worse. So it's sort of a gamble. I mean, yeah, I can return it at Amazon, but if you heard Amazon's new sort of rule now is that if you return to them, like do refund too many times, they might or they might not basically remove your privileges, because they can't really deal with a lot of returns. It does kind of hurt the company to some extent, but I don't know, I'm not into the business. So let's check what it is. So let's open the box, and then you see King K Rool, and let's take it out. Okay, let's throw away the box. There's really nothing there anymore. So here's the back side, and here's the front side. Looks the same, package the same. So let's look at the eye. Oh, yep. So I was right. There was a damage on the other one. Wow. So this one actually is more, yeah, it's near perfect. And yeah, I was right. The eyes was damaged on the other one. So let's look at this one again. And right there is, yeah, either someone botched up in the painting. Sometimes, the production, it's just, and again, it's inside the box, it's sealed. And right here, there you go, the eyes. Perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. Thank you, Amazon. And the other one, I'm gonna return it to Best Buy, refund. But yeah, I don't keep one, buy one, and keep one in the box. I'm not a new in box type of guy, but I just want to show that to see that sometimes you might get unlucky and you just get something that has a bit of a damage. Again, you can't blame the retailer because they're not really in tune for this. It's mostly you gotta blame Nintendo for the production. Sometimes, I mean, you gotta keep doing this repetitive, repetition, and oops, just one false move, and you don't want to start all over because this thing costs a lot of money just to produce them. So, yeah, so there you go. My Amazon King K Rool. Much better, thumbs up. So thank you, Amazon. So with that, I'll see you guys later.